All right, ladies and gentlemen, for expediency's sake, we're gonna get started, and as they arrive, they can just file in. We do
Right.
have legal representation here for both sides, so I don't believe it should be an issue.
Now we're good to start, Your Honor.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call into session. This is a small claims court. Mr. Chris King v. Mateo Perez and Zolo Levi or Levy. Plaintiff, what is your case and why are we here? Also, what is it you are seeking in this case?
Your Honor, before we start, I'd like to put a pre-trial motion in.
What's your motion?
The claim is against Mateo and Zolo, who wasn't even involved in this incident. So therefore, I'd like the claim to be dismissed at full extent because neither parties were involved in this incident.
Well, is this not why we are here today, Mr. Curtis, to find out if they were in fact involved and determine if there
They're not
is
even
any
alleged to be involved,
liability?
Your Honor.
When it was brought, when it was brought to me, it was specifically stated the claim is against Mr. Mateo and Zolo.
Okay, that's fine. Well, we'll let the hearing go on them.
Can we correct him that it's against the business that he works for?
Yes, Mr. Blof, you have your hand up. I can't hear you, Blof.
It's against the business, not the individuals.
What business?
AYN.
Oh, now you changed it.
No, it's just adjusted. The owners, your honor, the owners is Zolo, Suarez, and Mateo. Mateo was representing AYN. So when we spoke on AYN, I think when I said AYNL, I think you thought that I wanted to give him AYNL or something, but that's actually their business name.
Oh no, I don't get involved in your guys' sex life. I mean, that's up to you. All right, so to correct this is against the business AYN. AON?
AYNL.
Okay.
AYN, no L, no L at the end.
All you need logistics, AYNL, AYNL.
All right, I'll accept the correction then. This is Chris King versus AYNL Logistics. All right, let's go. Yeah, Blof, you open up. Why are we here? What are we here for? And what are you looking from, getting from this case?
We are here today, Your Honor, to seek justice for Mr. Chris King.
Please.
I'm speaking the max I can, you deaf bastard. I'm sorry.
Go louder, me.
Mr. Blof, I will not tolerate such comments against the council.
Can someone show Zoe how to get down here?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, could I just send someone up to just go get him, please?
Get off your phone, I can't fucking hear him.
All right, Blof, go ahead.
Right, thank you. Right. We're here today to seek justice for Mr. Chris King. He was savagely run over. We're here to get the evidence heard, witnesses heard, and justice for Mr. Chris King. We are here seeking damages for the entirety of AYN leadership, mostly Mateo, to work at Ooh Cafe for 1 hour, and after every sentence, they have to say ooh woo.
Oh, meow,
Thank
bitch.
you, Your Honor.
What?
I gotta say meow.
Meow. Sorry, correction.
Hold on.
Meow.
I am.
All right, so to clarify, you're not seeking monetary damages. You are seeking, should I rule in your favor, that Mr. Mateo is to work at Uwu Cafe for 1 hour and after each sentence say meow.
Yes, Your Honor.
Understood.
Yes, Your Honor.
The representation of anal.
Defense, your turn.
Your Honor, Your Honor, Your Honor. All we have here is the mayor going down to instigate my client into something that didn't even happen. You will see from the evidence presented that the mayor so stupidly runs in front of a truck that was parked up and starts to move, and he runs under the truck. Who in their right mind would move in front of a large moving vehicle? You will see that from the evidence. You're going to hear from, I wouldn't even call them witnesses, in Babatunde and Jack Regan. They were news presenters that were there, and their evidence is literally the video which I put into evidence, Your Honor.
I'm
So,
not a news presenter.
what I would like, Your Honor, if you rule in my client's favour, I would like Mr. Chris King to work as a logistics driver for free of charge for an hour. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ooh,
We like that. We
ooh,
like
so
that,
a
Your Honor. That's a good one.
counterclaim,
We
a
accept the
counterclaim.
challenge, Your Honor.
All right. Well, let's see how this goes. Plaintiff, you're going to present your case. This is not going to go on for hours. This is a small claim situation. It's going to be quick. We're going to run through it, and I don't want any circles or going around in the same circle. We're going to address something. You're going to ask them straight, and we're going to move forward.
You want us to run a train on this?
I mean,
So witness, is it
okay.
witness
Oh
time?
my lord.
I'm not going to comment on that one specifically. Them being AYNL logistics, I don't want to comment on that. But
It's true.
you can start your case, present your witnesses or your evidence, and we can go from there.
Okay, first things first. I want to refer to the video. Could you be viewing that video, please,
I-
Your Honor?
Sorry, Your Honor, I can't hear anything bloke is saying. You sound like a robot right now, but
All right, he's asking everyone to review the video before we start.
okay.
Right.
Where's the video?
It's in the docket. It's in the docket.
Yeah, I sent it to.
Where's the doc?
I'll pull it up,
Docket
John.
number 79.
Wait, hold on.
Where do I find the docket?
News. This is perfect.
Is it on my phone?
I found it. Wait, never mind.
They work for the news. They're
Wu Chang
a
News, motherfucker.
electrical company.
Wu Chang News, motherfucker.
Yeah, people have multiple jobs. What can you do?
Guys,
Look, man.
guys.
So,
Let's
just to be very
calm and
clear,
cordial here.
Give me
You-
$200
you-
for my hospital bills, and I will
you
call
were
it a square.
harassing me, as well
What?
as on
Oh,
recording,
God.
we see that they have brandishing weapons, guys. That is against
brandishing
the
a weapon.
law
Bro, this
of
guy's
a
gonna make
firearm
this
that is
a
meant to be
setup,
in the
baby.
hunting
This is
areas
embarrassing.
that these people have slowly attempted to hurt me.
I
and it is
literally-
He
crazy.
walks over
Excuse
in
me.
front of the truck.
Is it
walks
true,
to
Mr.
the
Mayor,
truck.
that you ran over my employee?
Yeah.
Not at all,
Is
but
it
I
true?
do
Oh,
see
it's
that
not
a lot
true
of,
that
a
you
lot
ran
of
me
illegal
over?
crime is
You
happening.
don't see the blood on the
No,
floor
Very
right there?
convenient.
Nope.
Very convenient.
Wu Chang News too.
Hey,
That's
how you
very
doing? You're doing a
interesting.
great job.
It's,
You're welcome. You're welcome.
might
So,
be a conflict of
as you can
interest
see,
for
I want to
boys.
get some good camera angles on the business at the
Just send me the
facility.
video because I'm a
is.
fucking every time
And
I
then-
try.
What are you talking about?
Not only did they brandish these guns, they also actively threatened and fired earlier today. That
Civil
I was
court case,
told.
Vinny.
It's
So
too
now we're here
important.
investigating
Wait,
this even
open
further.
fire. Wait, what are you talking about? That never happened.
Oh, so because you're saying it never happened, it didn't happen. Okay, guys, just
Well,
so
if
you
wanna be a
know,
fence sitter, like,
again, live
where's the
coming
recording of that
straight
part?
from the actual anal facility itself.
Yep.
Because Crystal
And not
literally
only
just
do they
fucking
deliver their
decimated
product,
my
they deliver their
business.
product.
I'd rather
True.
just stay neutral.
You could just go
Through
over
the back
that.
door.
We won't
Do
hold
they
it over
deliver
Are you
there.
their
scared of the
product
man, Mr. Pistone?
itself?
Yeah.
And not
He has
only do they
threatened me,
deliver
like,
their
3 times
product,
so
they
far.
Yeah,
Wait,
sometimes
what?
We get on record,
He's
Mr.
threatening us.
Pistone.
Just easier. Nobody else
Happy
wants to
days.
touch
As
and my
soon as
workers.
this is
ma'am.
the mayor's
He has
threatening now.
threatened me, and I'm scared for
Agree.
my life,
I
but I
agree.
will stay.
Okay.
I am more
Ma'am,
on the
real
left
quick,
side right now
ma'am.
because I'm sitting closer to the left.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Don't do it, Vinny.
What am I doing?
Hey, back
I'm
up
just
a little
sitting
bit. Back
down.
up. I'm talking to her.
Well, he might
Hell, man.
try to take down your toe
free to
business.
go now.
What-
Come on, Nene.
Why are you zooming in on me?
Nah, go ahead and record whatever the hell he's saying over there.
So what is
Pick
this?
a side, Nene. Pick a
All
side.
right.
Shut up, you fucking asshole.
Oh my
God,
God!
If Vinny sees
Reminded
this
me of
video, this
utilities.
is terrible.
You don't
All
want
right,
to go.
Where is it?
I've reviewed the video. Plaintiff, your
Wait, did he
case.
kill
Go
his
ahead.
company?
Vance, where's the video?
It's on the docket,
I
Mr.
think Mateo
Stone.
sent it to Pistone.
That's really funny.
All right,
Honestly,
deserve
I'd
credit.
like to.
You fucking
We'd like to do an
stupid
open
idiot.
statement.
Can you come away from the
my-
judge,
No, do you notice
please?
how the camera guy was
Yeah,
waiting
just
till
step
Chris
down.
starts
Just step down, Mr.
screaming
Chris.
so he can turn around? He zooms into Mateo's face.
Where's your
Chris, you're a
lawyer?
fucking
Chris.
idiot.
And then Chris gets hit by a local.
Deserve.
His voice is very
honestly,
scuffed.
Deserve.
All right, are you gonna then represent yourself now?
Well, yeah, because I mean, I was gonna I was just gonna speak anyway, and then like he would like ask questions if he wanted to. So it's just an open statement anyway
All right,
until he gets back.
all right, go ahead.
Hello, Mayor Chris King here. Voted in 318 votes. Obviously, I'm just that good. I do want to point out that I was called today on 6/9/2026 by Regan, who is a utility worker for the state and for himself, who has a piece of paper that states that he is allowed to inspect businesses if necessary and government facilities if it requires his job, which he did need to do such a thing. I was then reached out by Mateo saying that he will not let him on the property and that this is bullshit. I then drove down there and tried to communicate with them to let him know that people need to be able to do their job. In return, he screamed, "You're not my bitch. I'm not
Dan's
your
just gonna
bitch.
pause.
I don't have to listen to you." And some weird pent up anger as if he's having issues with his coworkers. Now, as I tried to explain to him while they were brandishing their weapons on their back, which is he's doing right now, which is illegal, while he was in
Can we get to the
uniform,
point, Your Honor?
to try to let him know that that is illegal and trying to help
Yeah,
them
Mr. Chris,
throughout,
speed this up.
running their
We get to the
business.
point, we don't be here all night.
His lady, the lady started to drive out. Now I was talking to her too, letting her know some things and inspecting their vehicle, which you saw in the video, because that's my job as a mayor, to inspect and make sure that these businesses are properly running to keep themselves safe so that the logistics can continue. Now, as she was leaving, she kept stopping and going as I saw her tires. I walked away from the trailer and then I was speaking to the individuals that are in this room. She then turned the car very, very hard right and made the trailer slap me in my anus as if it was a rough night that I never asked for. And now, sir, I have multiple injuries, went through surgeries, and you can see the medical reports, all because I try to help these people, and these people are unhelpable.
Okay, you spoke
Right,
far too much.
thank you, Mr. Chris.
Ooh,
Now
and
I'm gonna allow them to question you because I did allow you a narrative statement right there.
Mm.
Go ahead, Mr. Curtis.
Mr. Chris King.
Hello, old British man.
So your role is to inspect trucks.
It is part of the responsibility as a mayor to assign that to his cabinet as well as enforce it himself.
Hi, that's in legislation, is it? That you're there
100%
to
it's in
inspect trucks?
legislations to
Okay.
inspect different types of businesses and their different things that they do in their businesses, which in this logistics company involves trucks.
So is it safe to inspect a truck in the middle of the road that is just driving out?
A car that is parked in the video, 100%.
No, answer the question, please.
I just did. It was parked in the video. Yes, I inspected. It was safe.
Okay. Is the truck in a safe location to inspect in the middle of a road?
She chose to stop there. So
Answer
I
the
inspected it
question,
where
please.
the owner chose
Your
to.
Honor, 1 second. Can Boba Tea stop fucking clapping?
Yeah,
it's so
'cause-
annoying.
Answer the
I'm gonna
question,
tase him.
please.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tase him.
She chose to
If
stop
he claps again, you may tase him.
Can you just answer the
Yes,
question?
Your Honor.
there. Repeat the question. I mean, I've already
Is
answered.
the truck in a safe location in the middle of the road to be inspected?
AYN parked it there, so I'm guessing it was.
Can you just answer the question? You're not like
I
to treat
just
something
did.
that's hostile.
I'm leaning towards having you treated as hostile, Mr. King. He's asking you a simple
Oh,
question.
that's fine. I really don't feel threatened by a British guy.
Yeah, well, okay. Witness is hostile. Go ahead, counsel.
Listen, you fucking stupid blue-haired little fucker. The truck isn't safe right there to be inspected, is it?
I don't know. You asked me a question. Now you're answering it. So what question do you want me to answer?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
All right,
Your
all right,
Honor,
all right.
I'd like to strike everything this witness is saying because he clearly has no idea what
Your
day of the
Honor,
week
the
is.
person asked a question. I answered it 4 different ways. This is answered at this point.
No, it's
No,
not.
but you've
didn't
not
answer.
given an answer to the question, Mr. King. And counsel,
I
I'll
did. I
remind
said
you.
that they parked
1
it
second.
there, so
one
it must be
second.
illegal.
Mr. King, wait. Just because I allowed you to treat him as hostile doesn't mean you can just go off and swear at the man.
I'm
That is
sorry,
not
Your Honor.
that is not appropriate at all.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It basically just gives you the right to ask leading questions at that point
Well, I could ask leading questions anyway, but I know, I understand.
and be a bit more forward with your questioning, not simply go out
Okay.
and swear and degrade the man. I'm not allowing that. Mr. King, answer the question.
Okay.
It's a yes or no question.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask it one more time. Is the truck in the middle of the road in a safe location to be inspected?
Yes.
Why would you approach a moving truck in the middle of a road?
It wasn't moving.
Okay. Well, if you've looked at the video, you'll clearly see from the video it comes out of
Objection,
the car
Your Honor.
park.
Counsel testifying.
No, I'm telling you, if you've looked at the video, you'll have seen it.
There's
And you're not
objection.
legal
There's an
counsel.
objection on the
There is
floor.
an objection. There is an objection on the floor.
Hold on, a witness. Hold on, a witness can object.
Well, he's also his own counsel at this point because
It's not,
Mr.
the counsel's here.
Oh, Blof, you're back.
Oh, he just
Yeah.
showed up. Oh, he must have just
No,
got
he's
here.
been
Your
here
Honor.
ages.
Yeah, I.
He's been here
I had
ages.
I had an issue. Yeah.
All right. Well, Mr. King, then your counsel needs to object, not you. Seeing as he's back.
Oh, he just
Counsel leading.
objected.
I can't hear a word he's saying.
You gotta
Can
yell.
you speak up, Blow?
Objection, counsel leading.
No,
He
testifying,
can
okay.
lead.
Testifying. Objection.
I
Testifying.
can lead.
My bad.
Hold on, the witness is coaching him what to say here, Your Honor. This is a
No,
shambles.
he's not. He's not. He's not. He's not.
This is a shambles.
All right, all right,
Your
all
Honor.
right, all right. I'm gonna separate the two of you a little bit. Mr. King, step back just a slight bit. Counsel, what is your objection? And make it very clear.
Objection, counsel, testifying.
All right. Do you have a rebut, Mr. Wright?
I do, Your Honor. All I was doing was referring to the evidence which Mr. Blow brought up initially, where it clearly shows the vehicle moving. And I was asking Mr. King to refer to that.
Understood. I'm gonna overrule for now. However, if I do find that you are testifying, I'm gonna strike that question as a
Thank
whole.
you. That's fine. So, Mr. King, I'm going to refer you back to the video that we have that's submitted into evidence. If you look from the timestamp of around 2 minutes 20, does the vehicle move?
I'm not inspecting it.
Okay, that's why I said, can you refer to the video?
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Go ahead.
Okay, if you look at 2 minutes 30, does the vehicle move?
Does it drive forward? Yes.
Thank you. The vehicle wasn't stationary when you ran towards it then.
I'm not allowed to say anything back, right? Am I allowed to?
No,
Well,
answer
ask
the
your question.
He's asking you a
Oh,
question. Answer the question.
When I ran, I didn't run towards it. I walked up to it.
Okay. Again, I'm going to refer you to the timestamp of 2 minutes 20. Does it show you running towards the vehicle?
No, that's a light walk jog.
Okay, so you're running, you're jogging, you're running.
It's called a
Does
light
the
walk
vehicle-
jog. You can walk
okay.
fast.
So does the vehicle move as you're jogging towards it?
Does it move forward or is it driving?
Yes.
All right, all right.
It-
I'm
it
gonna
moves forward,
inter-
it's not
I'm gonna
driving.
interject at this point, Mr. Wright. You've asked the same question about 5 different
He hasn't
times and
answered it,
phrasing
Your
it
Honor.
differently. He has
He hasn't
answered
answered the question.
No, he has
He
answered it, and
hasn't.
I have heard an answer. So move on.
Your Honor, I'm asking him if he's walking forward towards the truck as it's moving. That's what I'm
And
trying to get out of him.
I'm telling you to move on to the next question.
Objection, argument.
Okay, no further questions, Your
All right, Mr. King, you can step down.
Okay.
Your next witness, Blow.
My next witness will be Mr. Jack Regan.
This is gonna be your last one. For expediency's sake, I'm not gonna allow too many witnesses.
What do you want me to
I
say?
was
Okay,
the
okay,
one
okay.
Yeah,
that
right here next to me so that I can hear if they try and meddle with you in any way, shape, or form.
No fit.
Mr.
Alright,
Regan,
Mr.
you're gonna
Regan.
give. Hold on, Blow.
Oh.
You're gonna give a narrative statement. Then I'm gonna allow them to question you on that narrative statement. So
I
please-
promise, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead. Give us your statement. What happened?
We were conducting some safety work down on the business premises that obviously Mateo is the business owner of. We conducted some electrical work and all that, and we conducted the work. We spoke to Mateo. Mateo was, I don't want to pay for this. Get off the premises. So we rang the mayor, spoke to Chris. Chris came down, and he was, we'll get to the gist of it. So Chris is standing on the road with all where we all were, as you can see in the
Speak
video.
to the court, not to me.
Yeah, sorry. So then you can see the truck is stationary on the road, and then we're all standing beside, and then the truck all of a sudden moves off and whips out and hits our lovely mayor. So yeah, I think Chris was, he just terribly, it's not right. It's not right, Your Honour. Someone has to be held accountable for this terrible injury that's been, that Chris has suffered. You know what I mean?
All right. Questions from the defense on that statement?
Okay, Mr. Regan. During this
you're-
whole...
Not
Hold
you.
on, hold on, hold on. Hold
Not
on.
you.
You're
Oh,
on
sorry.
defense.
Yep, my
The
bad, my bad,
defense.
that's you.
You're on. I'm not even going to ask him any questions. I think the video paints 1,000 pictures. I'll be honest.
All right. Blow.
All right. Hello, Mr. Regan. Got a few
Hello,
questions for
sir.
you.
Yeah, go on.
First question.
Yeah.
During the time of the incident taking place, the
Yeah.
vehicle stationary throughout, did it move at any point from your perspective?
I don't think so. No, I can't. The only time I've seen it move was when it struck Chris.
Yes. Okay, that's why. Okay, good. Second question. During the whole event, from what I could see, it seemed a bit tense. Do you reckon, from your understanding of the situation, that the defense was being what would the word best suited for this be?
Malicious.
Aggro.
Objection,
Aggro.
speculation.
Sustained.
He doesn't know how my client was.
No, I'm not. I'm asking the witness.
It's been sustained. Move on.
Okay. Final question. From your point of view,
Yeah, we are
the
slowly
action
dying.
seem deliberate?
Objection, speculation.
Your Honor.
It's
Your
not
Honor, he has first-hand witness.
Chris,
All right,
you're
all
not
right.
counsel.
Okay, no,
Speak
no,
for
I don't need a rebut. I'm gonna overrule
Sorry.
for now. I want an answer. I don't think it's speculation. It's only his brief, what he witnessed and his account of things, so he can answer that question. It is
I
speculation,
don't know if it
technically,
was
but
on purpose, Your Honor. I don't know.
all right.
Okay, and one final one. With the truck from video evidence, which we've all seen, from the evidence, would you agree that the vehicle was stationary for the majority of part?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Your Honor.
That has been
Okay.
asked.
Okay, that's it then. That's it then. Thank you.
All right, step down.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any evidence you wish to highlight, or can I give it to the other side?
I think that's it.
All right. Defense, the floor's yours.
Hey, I'll do the closing.
Yeah, sure.
Your Honor, I'm gonna call Amelia Edwards.
All right, Ms. Amelia, come on up.
Okay.
Oh wait, they got a witness.
And again, for expediency's sake, I'm
not
gonna
ask
let.
for a narrative. I've just got a couple of questions, Your Honor. That's all.
All right, but keep it quick. It's really just
I
for
will.
expediency's
I've
sake.
literally got 2 questions, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Amelia, was you driving the truck today?
I was, yes.
Was the truck moving as the mayor ran towards you?
The mayor ran towards me multiple times. The first time he ran towards me, I was stationary and he told me that I was doing a great job. The second time he ran towards me, I was moving and I stopped the vehicle and he told me to accelerate at high speeds. I told him I'm not going to do that because I don't want to injure him.
Objection, Your Honor. Facts not
You're
in
not the
evidence.
counsel, Chris. Shut up.
I'm allowed to defend myself, dumb fuck.
You're
All
not
right.
even
then-
Okay,
counsel.
okay.
I have a counsel
One
and I'm also allowed to
second.
defend
One
myself.
second. That is wholly inappropriate, Mr. Chris. Do not address the opposing counsel in such a way. If I get any
Not
more
a dumb
outbursts
fuck,
like
sorry.
this from any side of you, I'm gonna hold you in contempt. Your objection is overruled. Answer the
Thank you.
question.
Continue, Amelia.
Okay, and then the vehicle was constantly moving forward at a very slow speed, which I believe is shown in the video anyway. And then that's when a local T-boned me, and the trailer on the back of the vehicle was
Lovely.
what struck him.
Thank you. When when the mayor moved away.
Mayor was struck. Were you moving
Oh,
or turning?
what did you say?
Actually, never mind. Never mind.
Mr. Curtis? Oh?
Oh,
I've got that. I'm gonna ask when the Chris when the mayor was struck, did you hit him? Sorry. When Chris was struck, were you driving the vehicle or was the vehicle moving?
We don't have time for him to have ad block.
ChatGPT mustn't be working.
Yeah, I know, right?
Good one. Curtis, everything okay?
Curtis?
I hope you guys win.
Wait, who's you guys? Us? Oh.
Oh.
Curtis? Oh. Hey, it was
Council,
just
would you
about a cook,
would you
Your
like
Honor.
to continue without him? Because we don't have a lot of time.
The council has forfeited. Automatically, we win.
No, I would not.
Sure, Mateo's got it.
I don't know what the argument was. I kind of fell asleep a few minutes ago.
Oh
Don't
my!
lie.
Did you hear that, Your Honor?
He's disrespecting his lawyer.
This is disrespectful.
I'm not disrespecting. I just trust my lawyer to take care of me. I'm
Yeah,
sure
where'd
he'll
your
be
boys
back
go, by the
any
way?
second. Well, they said this court case is bullshit, and they left.
Damn. God forbid they take a slow down second to involve other people in their day. It's all about them, I guess. Poor Mateo.
Well,
No, I'm gonna
somebody's
pass out.
gotta
Fuck it.
take care of things.
By the way, does anyone have a bandage?
I don't think it works. All those bandages are all ass. They're like all ripped up and everything. Half the time I try to use
The
one.
Well,
bandages
I'm
will-
bleeding
a gauze will
slightly.
stop bleeding.
Yeah,
I've
I'm
got some
bleeding
ibuprofen.
slightly. No, I don't,
We'll get
you can't give
some-
me that. Unfortunately, not.
oh.
Oh.
Have we got something, Evan?
Try this.
Concerned citizen.
I'll
today.
save you. I'll random citizen.
I got my South African.
Thank
brother.
you.
There you go. Do it.
He's giddy.
He's what?
He's giddy.
Shut up.
He's giddy. He's giddy.
He's
Does
guilty.
anybody... Oh, guilty. Thank you. See, I need a translation for
Guilty.
Baba Tunde.
He's
Can I
giddy.
apologise for my co-owner of my utility company? Thank you, guys.
What's going on?
Oh,
Okay,
Curtis,
someone-
you're back. Thank God.
Yeah.
Sorry, Your Honor.
They tried to make me talk, Curtis. It was horrible.
No problem. Just one final question, Amelia. When the mayor stopped speaking to you, did he move a safe distance away from your truck?
No. Repeatedly
Thank you.
into
No
the
further
truck.
questions, Your Honor.
All right, council,
Hmm.
you're cross.
Short and sweet.
Hello. Just
Hi.
a couple of questions. One question is, referring to your council's statement, you knowing he was not a safe distance away from your vehicle, why did you turn?
I didn't turn. As I said in my statement, a local T-bone.
Well, how did he end up getting hurt then?
Objection,
a local
badgering.
T-bone me.
Who pushed the objection, Mr. Wright? Is that you?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna overrule for now. It's not badgering yet, but he's borderline. Oh,
Because
really, Dave?
Your council and you have just admitted that you've just hit him without knowing he was not a safe distance away, and you started. the
Objection,
vehicle with the vehicle.
badgering.
I did not admit that, but
One second.
Both your council and you just did.
1 second. There is an
Hold on.
objection. All right. I'm gonna sustain that you are at this point trying to badger. Rephrase the question, please.
Why did you do it then?
Objection vague.
Why did sorry? Why did you decide to start the vehicle and leave the area?
I didn't.
Objection vague.
Again, not vague. It's not vague. It's a genuine
Alright,
question.
that is okay. Bluff, you don't argue back to him. You speak to me.
Sorry, I'm
Alright.
rusty. I've been out the business for 2 weeks.
Alright, for now, it's overruled. So that we can just move forward, please.
All right. So, could you answer the question, please?
I thought we were moving forward. Judge?
Is that
Yeah.
overrule move forward as I move forward? As in move forward with the question, or move forward as a different question?
No, answer the question that was asked, please. The question was, why did you
which was-
start and move the vehicle?
I didn't. I didn't start the vehicle. A local T-boned me, and that is why the trailer swung to the.
This is
left, I
my
believe.
courtroom, Dogsy.
Was this local invisible? Because see from video there was no local there. Who T-boned?
Your Honor, counsel testifying.
I tend to agree on that. There's something else I would agree on, but I'll agree, and that is sustained. Come
Okay.
on, Mr. Blove.
Go on, we ain't got much time left.
All right, calm down, man. All right.
See if you can figure out where
Final
this is.
question. Why was the engine on?
Your Honor,
Yeah.
vague.
The engine of the vehicle was on when the supposedly T-bone happened. You could clearly see it from the video. The engine was clearly on.
Objection, relevance.
Your Honor, can we call a timeout? Real quick.
You
2
want a
minute timeout or
timeout?
A minute.
Gentlemen, I'm just gonna be clear. I don't have time after the storm. So
Okay, I know. Am I allowed to ask questions as I'm also representing myself as well as he's my lawyer, since it's an unorthodox court case anyway?
yeah, it is a bit unorthodox. You can ask questions, but if you're gonna go out of scope like your lawyer currently is, then I'm gonna stop it.
I'm not. I have a question, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Was the vehicle parked when I was hit?
Objection, scope.
No, that's
Your
in
Honor,
scope.
it's not in
You did ask about the vehicle being parked. Answer the question.
What, like, can you be more specific when you say like parked?
When you were parked, did I get hit by your vehicle?
The vehicle was stopped when you got hit. Yes.
Did your vehicle hit me?
The trailer on the back of my vehicle did.
Did I run at your vehicle when that happened?
I believe so. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, I ran at it, or yes,
You were repeatedly running at my vehicle.
Was
telling
I
me to
running at your
accelerate.
vehicle when you were parked and your trailer hit me?
Yes.
Was your vehicle moving?
No.
How did your trailer hit me?
As I've mentioned.
Objection
several
asked and
times.
answered.
I didn't ask
Sustained.
how it hit me.
You didn't ask it. Your counsel did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Did I receive injuries from your trailer?
Objection, speculation. My client wouldn't know.
She just testified that I was hit by her trailer, Your Honor.
Doesn't mean she knew you got injuries.
All right, gentlemen. I think we've reached the point in which I'm gonna let you do a closing, and we're gonna wrap this up. We are actively just going in circles on the same points.
I mean,
So-
it was leading to an actual question that was not answered, Your Honor, but understood.
Yeah. Let us move to closings, and you can bring
Can
up
I
that
close
point.
on- can I
step
ask
down?
one last question for closing?
Yeah, you can
before I
step
do it?
down. Right?
One
Yeah.
last question.
One last question. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Was the mayor hospitalized from that incident?
Objection, speculation.
don't
She
know.
wouldn't
It's
know.
not speculation.
It is
I
speculation.
don't know.
She's
Alright,
not
thank
medically
you.
trained.
It's genuine. It's not speculation.
All right.
You already answered.
You can
anyway, I
step
appreciate
down
it.
now. Thank you. All right. Counsel, you're closing. And it's gonna have to be very brief. We don't have a lot of time.
As you can clearly see, these motherfuckers guilty.
But,
Speak up,
motherfucker,
blow.
sit down, please. Sit down before I fucking choke you out. I will do
Alright.
the closing. Your Honor, people of the court,
Chris, can you
today
speak up,
is
please?
a very simple day. It's a day that
Speak
the
up.
mayor of Los Angeles.
Speak up. Speak up. I can't hear.
Get some goddamn earmuffs.
The mayor
I
of Los
did
Angeles.
not ask you to speak up. Not you,
Alright,
Chris.
You guys are just, you
no,
guys
no.
gonna keep mansplaining?
Robert's
You
in
gonna keep
there.
speaking over me?
Yeah,
Let
I am.
him speak.
No, this is my
All
courtroom.
right. All right.
All right,
Well, listen,
speak.
the mayor of Los Santos came down to do his due diligence, his duty, and that is to tell a business, a sitting business, that they need to allow the power company to be able to do their job, which there is a written testimony and statement and signed signature by the mayor that allows them to do such a thing. They were trying to argue that. They tried to fight that. I tried to explain them that there is a new business strike system in the city, and I tried to warn them that they should not put their business at risk. Then, and doing my due diligence and duty, I inspected a tractor trailer, which in the Constitution are duties, including the mayor, as well as assigning someone to do it, as well as inspecting and watching over them. We are told to make sure that their businesses are running at 100% capabilities. That involves making sure that their tires are not flat, that their vehicles can move. Each time in that video that vehicle moved, I was at a safe and a distance away from there. Not hit, not struck. It has been testified that the only time that I got hit by a vehicle was when it was parked. How does that happen? Maybe it's because when she turned it on and I walked away, she did a sharp turn and hit me with her back end, which she stated that she didn't run me over. I didn't jump in front of a car. Her trailer's back end swiped me and threw me a distance that put me in the hospital, that I will never be able to make love with my lover again from the back door.
Come on, I've got
because of
time to
that.
make closing as well.
Thank you,
You're
Your Honor.
talking. Your Honor, I'm going to keep this very short and sweet because the prosecution didn't know how to keep it sweet. I'm going to direct you to 2 minutes 20 onwards from the video where Mr. Chris King says he allegedly came down to help the electric company and decides to inspect a vehicle in the middle of the road. You can see underneath the truck
They were for
another
the
car
news. They're
smashed in the truck, which did unfortunately hit the mayor, but he wasn't safe to be inspecting trucks that moment in time, and he should have asked the logistics company to pull into the car park if he wants to inspect that trailer. That's all, Your Honor. Find him not guilty, make Chris work an hour worth of logistics for free. Thank you.
All right, I'm just reviewing things, and I'll give a verdict now. Give me one
Okay, Your Honor.
second.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey, back up a little bit. Back up. I'm talking to her.
The hell, man.
You're free to go,
Zooming
man.
on
Well,
Mateo, zooming
thank
in
you.
on
Why are you
Mateo.
zooming in
Nah,
on me?
Nah, go ahead and
Vehicle on the
record
back.
whatever the hell he's saying
Yes.
over there.
All right.
Oh, I got that! Oh my lord, I've got that! I have got.
All right, I'm ready.
All right.
All right, I've reviewed everything presented today. The reports, the video, specifically the video, which highlights a couple things. Firstly, Mr. King, in what rational world do you stop a truck in the middle of the road for an investigator to inspect it? You could have advised the truck to pull back into the parking lot and done your inspection. Then it moves to where you approach the driver, you tell the cameraman to move back. He moves back, and a little bit later you go, you're free to go. She slowly proceeds to move forward, and I can clearly see you go closer to the fucking truck. She keeps going a little forward, and you're still very close to the truck. After having told this person you're free to go, you still proceed to move up to the truck, at which point, I don't know who the lady is that hit that truck. She should definitely be charged with a hit and run because she didn't stop at all. Simply put, the way in which the inspection was done is not safe in any way, shape, or form, being in the middle of the road. And Mr. King did not do his due diligence after he instructed the driver to move away, or that she was free to go, to then just step back from the truck as she slowly inched forward. As such, I'm going to be ruling in on the side of the defense, and Mr. King, you are to serve 1 hour with the logistics company and provide any anal services that AYNL Logistics provides to the
I
city.
can't wait to give that anal service.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor. I
To be,
appreciate
fair,
that.
to be fair, Your Honor.